Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a delta symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert delta symbol in your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show this video. So to insert delta symbol, you just need a Google keyboard, because if you are just clicking on the insert symbol option here, but you can't find the insert symbol option in this WPS presentation mobile because there is no symbol option here. Instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. Here, just using Google keyboard or Gboard, you can just download it from the Play Store. After opening the keyboard, click on this number section first, and then you just need to click on the symbol section again here, this symbol. Then you can find the delta symbol here. So this is the only way that you can just insert the delta symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're having any common doubts about the WPS presentation mobile, you just comment below. I will make a video about it, and we will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful, also beautiful day.